So, one of the backbones of this implementation is the Indico Builder, which you see here. The project you see here, called Agriculture, consists of a single fact class, feeding, with 6 dimensions: animal, calving, lactation, location, time, and time of day. The fact class captures data about food and energy intake of individual animals in a pen of cows, on a day, during a time of day. The animal is in a particular lactation phase, as indicated by the days in milk, after a certain number of calvings. Individual model elements may be marked mandatory using the notes field in Indico Builder. For example, farm site, the level is marked mandatory by writing mandatory in the notes field. Measures, for example energy reference, and the entire hierarchies may also be marked mandatory using the notes field. Meaning that these elements can't be deselected during customization. Indico Builder stores its DFM models in an XML format. Once modeled and stored, the reference multidimensional model may be imported into the model repository, which is an XML database. Let's create a new repository, Agriculture, using the web frontend. We stress though that the actual contribution of this work is a set of back-end xQuery functions rather than this simple interface. We can now import the previously created reference model, load it into the XML database. We can also import catalogs of calculated measures and predicates, which are then also stored in XML format in the XML database. Analysis situations can be imported similarly, or created using the xQuery functions. Multidimensional models may then be customized. For example, we customize the feeding reference model. We can then deselect hierarchies, levels and attributes, as well as measures. We can also add measures from the measure catalog. An exclamation mark marks mandatory elements. For example, we can deselect the animal level from the animal dimension. After some more deselection, we obtain the following customization of the feeding fact class. The customization may then be exported. We obtain an Indico project which can be opened using the Indico Builder. In Indico Builder, we can view the adapted customized project and let Indico Builder do the logical modeling. The logical model generated by Indico Builder can be imported into the reference model repository and used to generate SQL queries for the analysis situations.